Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add weather update to WordPress website. Let's get started. So in order to do that, we need to head over to our Alpha site right here. So just head over and sign up. And once you have signed up right here, just click on this Add New App. And then from in there, you can see this apps catalog. So click on the search bar right here and search in here for weather. You can see this right here, so click on this. And then it will ask you to choose a template that you can use for your website. You can use in here detailed forecast. You can also use in here detailed forecast 2, detailed forecast 3, and daily forecast right here. So you can choose which one is actually for you. So I'll head over and then choose this template. Click on this continue with this template. And you can put in here a specific location you want to show. So for example, for this, I'll head over and then put in here Manila, Philippines. And then in here, you can just head over and then locate that particular country or city or anything. So let me just head over and then locate that. And as you can see, we have in here Manila. And you can also put in here custom location name. You can also choose the style that you have for this case. You can also choose the color and everything. And then from in there, click on this publish option. Now, as you can see, changes were published. Now click on the plan that you want to use. I'll just choose a free plan. And then from in there, it will show me this code. So let me just head over and copy this code. And now I'll head over to my page. And then let me just head over to this particular plus icon and search in here for HTML. And now let me just add this HTML right here on any part of my page. And then I'll just paste it right there. And then let's click on preview in order to see what it looks like. So on some cases, it will take some time for this to actually show itself because as you can see, it is actually quite big. So once you're done with that, just head over and then save this progress that you have, and then you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.